Here's my panning FPV from the cockpit for the Cessna C-188. I have the canopy removable. I actually first of all cut the windscreen out there, but that didn't, I couldn't get my camera to fit in properly enough, so I've taken it right off. I've cut the backrest off, and I've made up this little backpack sort of bizzo here. And I have a servo lead for the servo, which goes down and into the receiver, and I have a 600 milliwatt 40 channel transmitter, video transmitter, Runcam Eagle. I just have that on one of the sliders on the Tyrannus. Pops in there like that and velcroed in. That works very nicely. I have it connected to a 3S, a separate 3S battery that I put up in the under the hood there, just to keep it totally separate from the flight battery. Flight battery's 4S, and this is just a 3S.